Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Dynamic Cracker, and in this class we'll solve some sums related to trigonometric identities. Do you remember what is those trigonometric identities? We have three identities, and so what are those three identities? They are nothing but sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and next one is secant square theta is equal to tan square theta plus 1, and the other one is cosecant square theta is equal to cot square theta plus 1. So these are main three identities we found, and next we derived some more identities on basis of them. So using all those identities, we'll solve today some sums related to them. If you didn't watch that video, how we derived all those things, that link will be in iCard or in description also. You can go and watch that. So let's start today's class. And if you see here, it is 1 minus sin square theta into secant square theta is equal to 1. So this is our question, and next, not next, now only let's solve it. So if you see here, we should just prove it, not solving. We should prove this LHS is equal to RHS. What is this? This is LHS and this is RHS. Means we should find this value, or we should prove that this value is equal to 1. So we take LHS is equal to 1 minus sin square theta whole multiplied by secant square theta. And if you see here, what is this 1 minus sin square theta? We know this identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. By knowing this, we derived one more thing, that cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. That is nothing but we send this one to this side, right? And then we did. So 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So just putting this value at here, we get cos square theta into secant square theta. Alright, and next what will this one will become? This is cos square theta and this is secant square theta. Secant theta is nothing but reciprocal of cos theta, right? So here if you see, cos square theta into 1 minus cos square theta only, because secant square theta is reciprocal of cos square theta. So if you see, this one and this one gets cancelled, right? So we are remained with 1. We got value as 1, and they said RHS is equal to 1. We got value 1, so they both are equal. We say just RHS or LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. That's it, very easy. Proving is very easy and most important and mostly asked in exams, you know. So next question is cosecant square theta plus secant square theta is equal to secant square theta into cosecant square theta. It's into. Now if you see here it's addition and here it's multiplication. How can we prove this? Just if you see, normally to the normal human brain, we see it's impossible how addition of two numbers is equal to multiplication of two numbers, right? But here not two numbers or two values, it's trigonometric ratios we are taking, and this is possible using identities. So if you see here, this is cosecant square theta, you can write it as 1 by sin square theta. So this is 1 by sin square theta plus secant square theta, we can write as 1 by cos square theta. Superb. Cos square theta. What we are solving for here, we took LHS. LHS is equal to. So now we just solve it like taking LCM and then adding, like that only will solve. So this is sin square theta. So LCM is sin square theta, cos square theta, both. And here you will get cos square theta. Sin square theta into cos square theta is this. So here we write cos square theta plus here we get sin square theta. Superb. So what is this? Cos square theta plus sin square theta by sin square theta into cos square theta. What is this one? Did you observe this? That's nothing but 1 identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That's what 1 by sine square theta into cos square theta. So this one can be write like 1 by sine square theta into 1 by cos square theta. Super, we can write. And here 1 by sine square theta. What is 1 by sine square theta? Cosecant square theta into what is 1 by cos square theta? It's secant square theta. And this one is equal to RHS, right? Cosecant square theta, secant square theta, secant square theta, cos A into B is equal to B into A. So LHS is equal to RHS, and hence we proved LHS is equal to RHS, or cosecant square theta plus secant square theta is equal to cosecant square theta into secant square theta. So this is one more question. So this is our next question, and if you see here 1 plus tan square theta into 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta. Super, very interesting question. So LHS is equal to 1 plus, so LHS is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. For now let it write like that only, and here 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta. They both are looking similar, just the sign is different. If you remember trigonometric, I mean algebraic expression, what is this? A plus B into A minus B. In there this form, right? A, B, A plus B, A minus B. So what is this one? We get A square minus B square, right? So A square minus B square. So we can write this one as A square minus B square. So here what is A? Here A is 1 and B is sine theta. So 1 square minus sine square theta. 1 square is 1 only. So we can write 1 or 1 square, both are same. So like that we got 1 plus tan square theta multiplied by 1 minus sine square theta. Super. And now let's try to solve this one. Let this one be like this only, and we'll solve this one. So now we got this both like 1 plus tan square theta into 1 minus sine square theta, right? So here if you observe, 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. According to identity number 2, I think so. Yes, number 2. This is secant square theta. And here 1 minus sine square theta. What is 1 minus sine square theta? It's cos square theta, right? So we got secant square theta, cos square theta. Secant square theta is reciprocal of cos theta, my dear. So 1 by cos square theta into cos square theta gets cancelled out. We are remained with 1, and this is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. So this is our next question, and here if you observe, it is LHS is root of 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta, and RHS is secant theta minus tan theta. We should prove LHS is equal to RHS. That's it. So if you consider here LHS, this is root of 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta. Now we don't have any square roots, nothing. Yeah, we have one square root. I'm saying inside this one, no squares, right? Because all identities what we know are in squares. Sine square, cos square, secant square, tan square, like that. So again here also, to make these things to be in square or for some other purpose, we rationalize the denominator. Do you know how to rationalize? If it is root 3 in denominator, we multiplied both sides by root 3 into root 3, numerator and denominator, right? So this one will become 3. So in that way, if you make it here into root of, what is here? 1 plus sine theta. We should rationalize with 1 minus sine theta. 1 minus sine theta. Because if you, when we rationalize, we multiply this one, and this will be in a plus b into a minus b form. So we get a square minus b square. So to get that form, we rationalize with the opposite sign, term. So here we get root of 1 minus sine theta whole square. This root to the whole we put, and then sine 1 minus sine theta, 1 minus sin, both same multiplied, so we took square, and here let's extend this root, very big root. So here 1 square minus sine square theta, super. So this one we get, let it be 1 minus sine theta whole square only, and here 1 minus sine square theta. What is 1 minus sine square theta? It's cos square theta. So again root 1 minus sine theta whole square, numerator as it is, and this is cos square theta. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. Now if you just feel difficulty in remembering these identities, just comment down me how to remember. There is one very useful method on how to remember these identities. So I'll say it in next class if you want. So comment down whether you want the trick or not to remember these identities. Okay. Now let's get into here question. So now we don't want root. So you can 1 minus sine square sine theta whole square by root of cos square theta. Square and square roots gets cancelled. You are remain with 1 minus sine theta by cos theta. So this one we can write like 1 minus cos theta minus sine theta by cos theta, right? If you minus this both, we get the same thing, just we expanded the thing. So what is this value we get here, right? 1 minus cos theta is secant. So it is secant theta minus sin theta by cos theta, tan theta. Tan theta. What is this? It is RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS and hence proved. That's it. So like this we'll get questions. And similar way, there is one more question very similar to this one. So that is square root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta. You should prove LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So try this question on yourself, on your own, pause the video, try to get the answer and comment down the answer. I am not going to say this answer. You should comment it down and I'll say whether it's correct or wrong. So this is our next question and it is like sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. So here it's very, you see it's very tricky, but it's not at all tricky. You can easily solve it, and this question I think it came in 2000. In CBSE board exam 2000, this question they gave. So if you try to simplify this, we can bring out sin theta out. Here we can bring sin theta in common, right? Sin theta in this term and here also in this term sin theta is there. So sin theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Is it? Yes, because sin theta here nothing is there, so we write 1 and then 2 sin square theta. Out of cube, if 1 sin theta get lost, if 1 sin theta we took it out, other will be sin square theta. And similarly here we take cos. So what is this? So this one will become cos square theta minus 1. Super. And now if you observe here, this sin square theta, can we write it as sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. According to sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, that identity, can we write sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta? Yes, we can write. So this one will become sin theta 1 minus 2 1 minus cos square theta. And here this is cos theta. Let's keep this one as it is. Now one thing to be noted here, sin square theta I took as my wish to change, but you don't want to change sin theta. Sin theta is your favorite thing. You hate cos square theta, you want to change cos square theta. Then what is cos square theta? Cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta, right? So at this place, without changing this thing, at this place you can keep 1 minus sin square theta and then solve. But I took my favorite is, what is my favorite? Nothing favorite and all, just I thought to solve it's a numerator. To my 8 I saw sin square theta and then I change to, I thought to convert it. So here sine theta 1, let's write it as sine theta only. Sine theta 1 minus 2 times 1, just divide it, I mean multiply it, minus into minus, it becomes plus, and 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta. What is in denominator? It's cos theta. Same thing, no changes here. So go. So now what we'll get? If you see what is here, 1 minus 2. What is 1 minus 2? Minus 1. So minus 1 plus 2 cos square theta. How we can write? 2 cos square theta minus 1. Yes. So what I said, that only I am writing. Sin theta is equal to cos square theta minus 1 divided by cos theta 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now if you notice here, I think you can see, sorry, writing very low at the bottom of the board. So 2 cos square theta minus 1, 2 cos square theta minus 1 gets cancelled out. Will be remained with sin theta by cos theta. What is sin theta by cos theta? It's tan theta. So we got answer as tan theta. That's it. Tan theta is answer. They didn't say we should get in numeric values. They said we should just simplify it and we should get. Or else if they want to make it prove that question, they'll say this is, we have something and RHS is tan theta. And now they say prove LHS is equal to RHS. Just we take LHS is equal to so and so and so and so and so, we get tan theta, and that's why that is equal to RHS. Hence the problem is proved. So like this questions will be, and that's it for this video. Questions will be like this, prove that, this and all. If you want, comment down if you want more questions which came on board exams to be solved. Even this one came in 2000 board exams CBSE. Like this, if you want more questions to be solved in this channel, just comment down below this video. If you want or not, we'll solve in next video, in next class. So that's it for this video, and thank you very much. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel if still not, and share to your friends. Thank you.